Hey, Slate Badofin fan, it's your girl again with another beautiful video on how to install your wig. Guys, get into this beautiful colorful wig, a ginger wig, and yeah, there I was starting to dye my wig. That's how this wig came in, and I used the Ardor dyeing color on the shade. I think 9-8, and yeah, I was kind of dyeing my root of my wig because I was needed it to be brownish, kind of amber brownish on the roof of it. I didn't like it to be ginger, so I was bleaching it. But if you need a very full tutorial on how to dye your hair, guys, I'm here for you. Just let me know. I'm here to show you any color, how to dye any color of your hair. So yeah, I was bleaching, and yeah, that's me. The day did my cornrows already. I did my cornrows already, and that's the wig the day after. Blow dry it and pluck it and prep it. Guys, if you wanna know how to pluck, how to prep your wig, let me know. I'm here for you. Comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel, and yeah, right, just ring that, what is that called, the ring button. Just finya tu ile ring button pale, and then sasa yote ndakuwa na post, utakuwa unapokea video anytime that I'll be posting your video. The video you'll be clicking. I was doing my bow cap, nilikuwa nafanya shapo yangu pale ya kutilia kwa wig. That's my bow cap, and I always like to use my dark shade for my foundation to kind of give my bow cap like the skin tone as my skin, but I always like to use dark because of my lace to look kind of darkish inside my cap, dark shade. And so my back. If you need another video on just slow down step by step how to do your bow cap, I'm here for you. But that's how I was doing. Take my razor and kind of cut it. Be careful, guys. At this time you have to be careful. Don't cut yourself. Usijulumize, please. Sura yako is a very beautiful face. Don't hate it. Don't put mascara tape. So use my what is that called? Skin protector. Natumia skin protector yangu, guys. Why? Because I need to protect my skin to any chemical from my glue. And yeah, use my lace tint and tint my lace. Make it in mind, this wig is from my company not Slade. Adolphine Classic Hair, and it was not a HD, it was just a regular lace, guys, just a regular lace. Yeah, I was just putting my wig on and kind of testing it, kind of try it and see if it will fit, or I need to cut some excess lace. And this wig was a little bit bigger on my head, so I have to go ahead and start trimming my lace, my edge of my lace, like ear, pale kumaskio. I have to cut it, and yeah, be careful again, guys, don't cut yourself. And there I'm going to use my razor again. But if you know how to use scissors, even scissors can work, even eyebrow razor can work. So I always like to cut my lace under, not on top, like kind of under my lace, the same way that you see me doing there. Put your razor and where your lace started and your cap, cut in the middle there, then cut it. But if you need another video on me slow down, I'm here for you again. So I'm using my glue from my company again, Adolphine glue, guys. So yeah, if you need that glue, it's very strong glue, very strong. At that time I'm using 2 layers, only 2 layers. Take my blow dry and yeah, dry it. As I told you, it's just 2 layers, and that layer can last you for 3 weeks. Trust me, this glue is very strong, guys, trust me. Yes, and pull up my wig and put it, but you have to wait until your glue is turned clear because of the whitish and all of that, but my glue doesn't bring the whitish. You have to know how to use it. And yes, just press it down, press my lace down with my fingers, take the tip comb and kind of comb it down, press it with the tip comb down. Take my elastic band. The elastic band is from me again. If you buy a wig from me, you get the glue, you get the elastic band and the lashes. That's a gift that you found on your package once it delivered. That elastic band is the bomb. I know it hurts, but it always melts your lace down, guys. Ukiniuzia wigi unapata elastic band, glue na lashes and some, I think, edge comb unaipata mu package yako yenye itakuwa delivered na wigi. And make it in mind, hii wigi haiko HD lace, ni regular lace, like lace yenye ukikam close, if you didn't melt it down, people will see it. But HD, it's kind of outer yona, and I have all of those wigs. Niko na hizo wig in my shop. Just contact me and it will be delivered. I delivered na kwa kana delivery everywhere. I do delivery everywhere. So nilikuwa nakata yo lace, and ubo wenye unakuwa kind of kulamuka, you go ahead again na kubukata tena, guys. Like uko naona na bukata tena, but kama hakuna yenye nalamuka, you can just put your glue, your lace spray na kubu spray, and then put your elastic band down and it will melt the lace down. Take my hot comb it my wig backward. I was happy, guys, because the way that my lace was melting already, it was giving like wow. And hot comb is my best friend once it comes to a wig installation. I have to use it millions time. Hot comb it helps me a lot. It really helps me. Hot comb, it's my best friend. Divide my baby hair. I don't like too much baby hair. I don't like dramatic. I like as natural as you can, and you have to cut it short if you need it natural. And take my baby hair curler and curl it. So curl the other side, and I will do my baby hair over there and just do the zoop the way you see me doing there. And use my Got2b gel. I like the black one. I don't like the yellow one. Once it comes to my baby, I like the black one because it's clear, doesn't leave the whitish stuff. Another time I was trying which style would match. My face. I was vibing. I was happy, guys. Very happy. Like, the way that this color look bomb on me. Your girl is late. I was happy. Kind of trying side, kind of trying middle. I was just playing with this hair and see how it was turning. I was trying and comb it. So and then take my straightener and start straight it as a bob, because I choose to wear it side parts. Try to kind of curl it as a bob. Curl the back. I know the back, it was hard for me to curl, but I have to try. I'm a hairstylist. I have to try my best and comb it. Like you can see there, it's kind of bobbing, right? The bob is bobbing. And yes, I was trying to like wow. Yes, and that hair was nice. This hair, I had this hair I think 3 years in my store, in the stock. So I decided to wear it, and I was scared about the color, but I was like, let me try something different this time around. And look ginger. Sometimes it's very nice. As you can see, for 3 years just sitting down, and I kind of forgetting that I have this hair. So nilikuwa nishasaulika taka niko na nywele inside my house. So I'm like, yeah, this hair, let me try something different. Acha nipime nikuwe na mi ginger this time. And I just tried this style and I was in love. Like in love with this style. I was like, yo, I'm looking like, wow, katoto is it this waiter? I'm looking like teenager. Like, wow. Ooh, I was looking cute on this style, guys. I can't lie. I was looking very beautiful. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. What am I keep talking without reminding you to subscribe to my YouTube channel? Bye.